Right. With everyone working remote lately, one of the things I think a lot of people are using now is Microsoft Teams. So what I was looking at was a quick way to be able to put Vertask into Microsoft Teams. That way, you and your team can all access your dashboard from within Teams and not have to actually navigate to the website or to the mobile apps, unless you really wanted to, of course. Um, so what we're going to do is actually put this dashboard inside of Microsoft Teams so you can access it from there. So the first thing you're going to want to do is here on this dashboard, go ahead and grab this dashboard URL. Next, you're going to head over to Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and pull this over here for you guys. And now that you're in Microsoft Teams, I've went ahead and created a test channel here inside of my security team. So we're gonna go ahead and add the dashboard to this channel. While you're in this channel, go ahead and hit this little plus symbol here, add a tab, and in here you're gonna search for an app called Website. So this is the website app in Teams. If you don't have this website app, you may have to talk to whoever manages your Microsoft security so that they can add this app to your Microsoft Teams for you. But once you do have this app, just go ahead and click on it. And here we're going to type in Helpdesk. We're going to type in Vertask Helpdesk and go ahead and paste that URL you copied earlier for the dashboard. If you want to notify everybody within your team, so this cybersecurity team, that you just added a new tab to this channel, or whoever follows this channel, notify them that you added a new tab. If you want to let them know, you can go ahead and check this box. In this particular case, it's just a quick test for you guys, so I'm not gonna, send that to anyone. Just go ahead and save. And now, boom, I have my dashboard right here. If I do have to mention that, there is a possibility that you may have to sign in if you're not already signed in. So, you may be at this screen. If you are at this screen, just go ahead and sign into the dashboard like you normally would. Oop. Go ahead and get my password. And I'm going to go ahead and tell it to keep me signed in so that, whenever I open Teams, it is signed in like I was just now when you guys just saw me. It was more than likely signed in because I did this already. But just go ahead and keep me signed in and sign in. It wants me to put in a verification code. I do recommend, in this age of security, that people do enable two-factor authentication on their account just to help secure it better. Go ahead and paste that in there. Log in. And again, I'm back to the dashboard like I was a few minutes ago. Of course, this is mine. I'm signed in. If you have multiple people who use this Microsoft Teams, they will see this tab, but they will need to sign into their own account like like we just did. But they can quickly do everything that they can normally do from the dashboard right from within Teams. So really at this point, whether you want to use the website is up to you. I can just X out of this and I can do everything within Teams. I can create a new task. And I can go ahead and do everything I normally could do, set a priority, tie it to an asset, we can get to your knowledge base entries. You can do whatever you really want from within here. I'm not going to fill any of this out. Again, you can decide if you want it to be a public task, private. Again, same thing like you normally would in the regular website. Create a task, and you could head on over to your task and Again, you can make your updates. You can add details to this task, change what the task is for. Add clients to this task if they need to be updated, things like that. But again, everything you can normally do within your dashboard, you can do right from here. And of course, go back to your main dashboard, and there you have it. So, if you think this was useful, hit the like button. If you don't have Vertask, go ahead and try it out. It's free for 30 days, and it starts to $6 a user, or $6 an agent, let me say. So, go ahead and try it out. I think it, works pretty nice within Teams. Thanks.